Now this Phantom wallet shows $4.9 million, not from sniping coins, not from trading, but by deving them. And I'll show you how I put it off in today's video, so make sure you keep watching. Now as you guys may know, there's two sides to making money with meme coins. The first side is actually trading, and the other side is from deving them, okay? You always need someone who makes a coin, and you always need a trader. Now I thought trading was a move, but every single coin I bought into, I got completely dumped on. Now this isn't a good example. This right here is a perfect example. I got completely dumped on. And that's when I learned the real winners are not trading these coins. They're actually deving them. Because you cannot lose as a creator of the coin. You're setting the floor, the hype, and the entire timing. But if you keep trading, you can lose all your money really fucking quick. And that's exactly why I prefer deving instead of trading, because all you have to do is create, wait, and dump. And by the way, right now is a perfect moment to start deving meme coins because Solana is at $240, which means the volumes in the market are extremely fucking high, and that's exactly why you have to keep watching. Now before we get started, I want to be clear that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing here is financial advice. Cap! Now as you guys may know, Pump.Fun just came out with a new update where you can actually stream meme coins and make a shit ton of money off of it. But bro, the truth is that it's oversaturated. Thousands of people are live streaming meme coins, thousands of people are launching meme coins every single second, and that's exactly why I have a new method that's actually really fucking better and that makes the same amount of money as streaming meme coins. Now the reason why Pump.Fun is not good is because you don't control your own liquidity, but actually Pump.Fun owns your coin, not you. If you're up a couple $1,000s on your coin, you cannot even remove that money. And also, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate on the Radium DEX. And that's exactly why I switched to create token.Io, because on this website, your token gets pushed directly onto Radium. It's instantly migrated on the Radium DEX, and buyers can get in immediately from the fucking jump. That's exactly why thousands of devs make coins on create token.Io. Now, there are two ways to dev a meme coin on create token.Io. The first way is actually to make it from scratch. So simply go on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any social media platform, and look for a narrative that could be decent to make a coin from. Now, for example, this guy just slapped her, that's good. This guy's on the bus, actual speed, that could be good too. 8.4 million views, just anything, right? And then when you found your narrative, come back to create tokens.io, create your own name, add a symbol and logo, and then just like that, you can launch your coin in seconds. But the second method, that's my favorite one because it's my go-to and the most profitable by far. Okay, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now these coins are all trending on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is copy them here and launch them directly onto Radium. And because the hype is already in these coins, they're already proven narratives to go viral. You will see instant buyers and stronger profits from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins. It's fucking insane. Anyways, let's stop wasting time. Time to dev a meme coin right now and make a shit ton of money potentially. So first of all, make sure you select wallet and then connect your Phantom wallet to the website. And then after that, refresh list and let's look for a coin to potentially make some money off of. I'm going to go with the first one that I see, which is the Asterline coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago, which means it's really fucking active. It has a $29,000 market cap and a decent PFP. So click on create coin. Let me go in my Phantom wallet real quick. Oh my god. And then ignore the warning, okay, it's completely normal. And then click on proceed anyway, confirm, I understand, confirm. And then the coin should be created. All you have to do is wait a couple seconds. And boom, If I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's live on the blockchain 10 seconds ago, so it's legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is basically the market maker. You're basically adding liquidity into your own coin so buyers and sellers can jump in instantly onto Radium. This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't offer to you, and that's exactly why you have to be deving coins on token.Learn. Now the first step is the amount token A. Just click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is the amount token B. This is your opening buy. You are not losing anything. It's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and it will come back into your dev wallet once you remove the liquidity later. It's just your first buy, okay? And you are the first buyer, and that's exactly why you have nothing to lose. So I'm going to put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above minimum, and then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Asterland coin is on live, your PNL is right here, the coin is right here, and if you click on refresh for a second time to see your PNL, now we're up $200 on this coin because people are actively buying in the coin on the migrate section. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. Let's wait, it should load soon because it's delayed. And now it's live. Okay, we're getting so much volume at the moment. Buy, sells every single second. What the fuck is happening? We're at a $1,200 market cap, $80. Let's go. We are getting fucking buys in already. There's so much stuff happening. Oh my god! What the fuck? Okay, yo, we're getting so many buys in. Oh my god. Now, soon it's going to retrace, okay? But you have to know that it's always going to go up and up because more and more people are going to start buying in the coin. That's how it works because, basically on Radium, there's thousands of fucking investors and more people are going to start seeing the coin. It's going to go fucking up. We're at a $2,600 market cap. Come on. Let's fucking go. Now guys, if you want to win 2 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And also bro, make sure to join my Telegram group down below. But yeah bro, let's get into the video. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes and I'm gonna be right back. So enjoy the show. Okay guys, I'm back after like 3 to 5 minutes and it looks like we are peaking $10,000 in market cap. Now this might not look insane, but bro, this is a lot of money in our pockets right now, okay? 2.6k in liquidity, things are looking good. Now if you want to make some money, come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button for a third time. And boom, we are up $1.8 thousand in PNL with a $8,000 market cap. It actually went down. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Oh my god. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount. Click on confirm. And that's exactly how you print money. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1.8 thousand all in my wallet, and it's real, bro.